Good morning, guys. So the stock market's not open. Tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. I'm gonna tell you what I see. I see tomorrow possibly a small run up, and then I see a bunch of selling off. This is what I see. No, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But AMC is gonna do what it does, okay? When you're investing in a stock or anything in the stock market, even with AMC, you really need to do your homework, okay? And don't just don't just follow what one or two people say. Do your homework, dig into the stock, do your what they call DD, and figure out if the stock is for you, okay? And then the next step is you need to figure out how much you want to invest in the stock. Don't FOMO into a stock because you hear everybody talking about it, which that's very hard to prevent, okay? Unless you catch it early, then you can ride the hype, okay? And then most people sell, okay? Some people just don't keep riding it up. But do your homework, do your research about the stock, just like AMC or GameStop or whatever, or even like Revlon, like everybody was riding that, and then it went pretty much, it got delisted. Like some people didn't even know it was getting delisted, and they're holding shares and they can't really do nothing with it. So it's time to go back in. Okay, so be mindful who you listen to. Invest only the amount that you're willing to lose. You hear that all the time. No one wants to lose money, no matter how much it is, even if it's a small amount. But invest just enough. If it goes to zero, not to zero, but goes to low numbers, like $1, or go bankrupt or go towards bankruptcy, that you won't be crying if you're still holding it all the way down. If you're willing to hold it all the way down until it crashes, then you can't be upset. And be mindful who you watch, like I always say. Because right now, let's just say for AMC, for example, there's a lot of people out there giving their opinion about AMC and what they think about if it's going to squeeze, that it's not going to squeeze, that the squeeze already happened, AMC going bankrupt. Like, you hear all this news, all this information, and there's some people out there that are against AMC and the squeeze, and they don't think it's going to squeeze because the information they gathered, and they're entitled to that, and vice versa, right? So all I can say, do your homework, because there are some people out there that will really knock you down from your goal or your dreams, okay? And I'm not saying that, like AMC, everyone has this dream about it being like you can be really wealthy because, you heard so much about it, it's been beaten in your head. So like me, I've sold a lot of my shares at 27, like I said, but I still have some shares on the side just in case something like this happens. Like if it squeezes, then I'm going to be okay. I'm not going to be financially wealthy, but I'm going to be okay with the amount that I receive. And I do that with a lot of stocks. There's a lot of stocks that's in the squeeze category. I buy some shares and I just hold them and see what happens. Just ride the wave and see what happens. If it goes to zero, I don't care. But there are really some people out there that will knock you down and try to knock you out of a play because they most likely wanted to go down, okay? So just be careful. I got a lot more to say about, there's some YouTubers that I just had to stop watching, like just recently, because they were attacking other YouTubers that's talking about AMC or other YouTubers that's against AMC, because I listen to both sides, and I really don't like when I see other YouTubers attacking other people that's in the stock market. Like, we're supposed to be here teaching everybody how to trade, and they're griping about this person and that person. Like I really get, it gets irritating, and I just can't watch it no more. But there are some people that I'm gonna still watch anyway because I like their mentality. But that's it, guys. I gotta go. I'll talk to you in a minute. Peace.